Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is in collaboration with UNice Hair Company. They sent me over one of their newest wigs, so let's go ahead and get into the details. The wig they sent me comes with these really pretty highlights. On the site they called it the Butterscotch Brown Highlights Lace Wig, and I got this one in 24 inches. This is a Byebyeknots wig, meaning the knots on this lace are pre-bleached and pre-plucked. The lace is a 7x5 closure, and this is a glueless wig, so the inside of the cap does come with the non-slip rubber grip around, that's kind of hard to say, but the non-slip rubber grip along with an elastic band. I'm just going to go ahead and try this wig on right out of the box, so you guys can see what it would look like right out of the box if you ordered it yourself. One thing I noticed once I put the wig on is that they definitely did shape the cap of the wig to fit around your ears perfectly. So although it's a closure wig, like it literally fits around my ears perfectly. But one thing I will say is that the wig is a little bit too big for my head. There's a little bit of space in the back. So I'm just going to go ahead and take the wig off. And there's always these two little elastic bands in the back of the wig. I just like to clip those together, and I remove the actual elastic band off of it. And now the wig fits a lot more snug. So now we're working with something, y'all. I'm just gonna go ahead and brush through the hair so you guys can get a gist of what the hair looks like. I will say I do like the highlights in this wig. It's definitely not normal for me. It's a little bit different, but I think they look really cute. I will have to add a few curls to the hair, but this is what the curls look like right out of the box. This wig is pre-curled and pre-styled with the like a loose wave, loose curl type of thing. And like I stated before, this wig is 24 inches. As you guys can see, I am very much a brown girly. So although the lace is pretty thin, I do like to go around the lace with my foundation powder just to make sure that lace is really blending in with my skin, especially since we are not going to be gluing this wig down. And I'm going in with my wax stick next just to make sure the top of the hair is nice and flat. And I'm also going around the front hairline with that wax stick as well, because we want it to be nice and flat and seamless. Sweat to change, but I noticed the end. You on scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you think I left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. So guys, this is pretty much what the wig looks like right out of the box. To me, it looks really, really good. But we want the top of that hair to be even flatter, okay? No mountain heads. The wig's gotta be flat, okay? So I'm going in with my hot comb, and I'm just pressing the top of that hair to get it as flat as I can. Also going around the hairline and just making sure that that hairline looks as natural as possible. And what do you guys think about this wig right out of the box? I'm not gonna lie, first impression when I first took it out the box, I did not know what to think about it. But as you guys can see, I didn't use any glue or any adhesives, no sprays or nothing, and the lace looks pretty good. Also, the hair looks great. I'm going in with a little bit of my Biosilk oil. I don't know why I can't talk today, y'all. But I'm rubbing that all throughout my hands and then rubbing it in the hair just to give the hair a little shine. Although I do like the curls that this wig came with, I do have to recurl those curls in the front. I just want to go ahead and get my desired look. So I'm taking my flat irons and I'm recurling those curls in the front and a few curls on the sides and in the back where I want the curls to be just a little bit tighter.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna bump me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, and I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay.
So guys, after adding a few curls to the hair, this is pretty much what the wig is giving. I think it looks super, super cute. The color is definitely different for me, but I think it looks really good. Again, this wig is glueless. I did not add any glue to it whatsoever. But I do want to show you guys just how versatile this wig is. Y'all know I am usually a side part girly, so even when I'm wearing closure wigs, I think that being able to switch the part up is very, very important for me. So that is a plus about this wig. The 7x5 closure is very, very versatile. I also want to show you guys just how versatile this wig is. Because of the curvature around the ears, I decided to go ahead and show you guys how this wig would look if you do like a semi updo, like half up, half down look. As you guys can see, you can go ahead and leave the bangs of the hair out, and that will cover the side of the closure, and then just go ahead and put it up in a ponytail. This has been one of my go-to looks as of lately. I really do like this style. I think it's very girly, very cute, and also really, really easy to do, y'all. Like, really easy to do. Again, guys, if you have a closure wig, you can always do different styles with it. It's not just frontals that you can do updos with. You can do it with closures too. And like I said, I think this is the perfect style to do with a closure wig, because as you guys can see, I left the hair out in the front, so it's literally covering the side of the closure of the wig, and you cannot tell that it's a closure at all. I think this is really, really cutesy, y'all. I'm going to lift it up again so you guys can see it fits perfectly around the ear. And yeah, it's super, super cute. And if you're feeling really spicy, you can even spice this look up by adding like a little bun to it and then flipping the hair up and adding a little claw clip. I don't have a cute claw clip with me right now while I'm in the bathroom, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add a regular clip just so you guys can see what the hairstyle looks like. But if I do decide to wear this hairstyle later, I will add like a really cute claw clip, y'all. But you can add any type of clip you want to the hair, add a little bun to it, and yeah, it just spices up the updo just that much more. I think this look is even more me. So yeah, guys, I'm pretty much sold on this wig. I feel like it's very versatile. The color is really pretty. If you are interested in this wig, I will make sure to link all the details down below in my description box. So go ahead and check that out. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys always, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.